Okay, so today we're gonna be working on my Miata for once. Finally, I'm gonna be changing the wheel bearings because they're acting up. Specifically, my right front one. Every time I take a left turn, it just makes like a loud like roaring sound. Also, the studs are like not in the best condition. So yeah, today we're gonna be taking care of that. I'm gonna do like a little quick test drive to just show you guys like what I'm talking about, and then yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Now that we're entering the race car, oh my god, there's a bee. Nice bee. But yeah, my door handle isn't working, so I have to do that. I hope you can hear the sound of the wheel bearing in the turns. I'm gonna try my best to go around a turn that I think you can hear it in. We're gonna be changing both of the fronts, but the front right is the one that's like pretty bad. I also gonna change my motor mount soon. That's why it's gonna be rattling a lot. Okay, well, I'm not gonna be able to do shit now that everybody's going slow. Because there's a roundabout up here that I wanted to try to see if I could go like somewhat fast around. Oh my god, what is that? 3000 GT? Am I saying that right? Oh hell no. Oh my god, fucking Tesla. Go! Oh my god, please turn with them. God damn it, you fuck. Oh my god, bro. Yo, that's just crazy. I don't want him to think I'm trying to race him, but I just think it's cool as fuck. Oh my god. It's nice. Ooh. I'm not racing him, bro, because first of all, my shit's slow as fuck. Second of all, I don't be racing people like that. Oh my god, I fucked up. Oh my god, it's a stick shift too. Stop it. Stop it. I don't want him to think. You see, there's a cop right there too. Nah, fuck that. Oh shit. I don't know what the fuck happened. That shit was funny as fuck. I don't know what the fuck happened. That never happened. I shifted into second and my throttle just cut. Oh my god. Dude, I don't know what the hell happened back there. I shifted into second and then my car just so I got off the throttle and put it on again, and it was like, oh, you want to go? Oh, okay, my bad. That was a bad shift. Oh my god, my soft top isn't latched. That would help. Okay. That wouldn't be my first rodeo, I'll say that much. Okay, let me see if this one makes some sounds right here. I took that turn kind of fast and that cop was right there. Let me see. I can hear it, bro. Yeah. It's this right one that's fucked. Okay, so here we are. I'm not gonna show you guys how to jack up a car. That's just boring at this point. So one of the other reasons I'm changing the hubs is because the studs are like kind of stripped. It's gonna be kind of embarrassing to show, but I've been riding around with, yeah, 3 lug nuts on this side, and one of them is hand tightened. I forgot which one, but one of them is like basically like hand tightened with the tool with the socket, and yeah, so that's why I'm changing them. And there's like a weird spacer thing. I'll show you guys, but yeah. Now remove the extremely heavy wheel. Put it off to the side. This is the wheel hub that I'm changing, but there's like a spacer right here, which I'm not sure why they put, but oh, I think it's an 18 BRB. I thought it was an 18, but it wasn't, so I had to run around finding what it was. Turns out it's a 19, and I don't have my adapter to put it on my impact, so now I have to use my bare hands. So I'm gonna see if that works or not. Bruh. No, that's crazy. BRB the sequel. Okay, so I already had to take a mental health break. All because I couldn't find this thing, a reducer, a 1/2 inch to 3/8 reducer, because this is the only 19 that could fit in here. But it's a 3/8, and I can't use a normal ratchet. I have to use my impact, which if you don't have one, I highly extremely recommend getting an impact, because Jesus Christ, it's a lifesaver. Anyways, oh god, my phone's falling out of my pocket and everything. I like these shorts too. You know, I'm gonna change my shorts real quick. One second. Now that I change my shorts, I can work in peace. I don't even know why they would put these spacers on in the first place, because like it's not a stance car, or maybe it was a while ago, but I don't know, dude. So now I have to take off the brake caliper and the brake rotor. Jesus Christ. I don't even know what size it is. 14? It's usually a 14. Brought a 13 and a 14, so just in case. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a 14. What a surprise. Want to hear an extension? No, we're good. I did forget to mention that whenever you do jack up a car, just give it a good shake, at least, after you have it on the jacks, to make sure that it doesn't fall for stuff like this, when you gotta like put force into it. Here was one. Damn. This one's a bitch. I might have to get on the floor for this one. I'm gonna hurt myself. Jesus Christ. I'm probably just gonna have to use my fucking foot. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to use my foot. Jesus Christ. Yo, it should not be this hard. I'm probably gonna hurt myself right now. Dude, please. Bro, I'm trying to change my wheel hub, bro. God, finally. I did not hurt myself. I am recording, right? Where is it, bro? Where is the socket? Where the hell is the socket, man? Jesus Christ. This is what I mean, bro. Like, I need a shop to work at. A garage or something. I need to have all my tools organized so that I know where they are. I don't have to waste time. Okay. This is about to come off. Why was that so hard? I'm just resting this on my control arm upside down. Front driver's side, okay. Let me put this on the grass so that the concrete doesn't mess them up. So this is the little cover we want to take off next to have access to the bolt that's right here. And this is the hub itself. So, you know, I planned for something like this. Kind of. It worked out better in my head. Is this dead lizard skin that I just found? Bro, look at this dead lizard skin. Oh my god. I don't give a fuck. Dude, I just want this cap to be off. It's supposed to just pop off. Why the fuck isn't it popping off? Oh my god. Yeah, this thing is demolished. It's not getting put back on. I'm never putting this back on. I'm never putting this back on, dude. Like, it's pointless. And now this little notch right here. This is the hub right here. You know what? Let me go get it right away. My battery died, so I don't know what I caught, but good news. I got the old one off. This is the old one. This is the new one. As you can see, in all its glory, whatever. Jesus Christ, whatever. And we just. Oh, I like that. A mí me gusta. Now, I don't know the torque specification for this, but I'm gonna just give it a few ugga-duggas, like everyone else does. Now, something like this, you always gotta make sure you notch it again like it was from the factory. Just to make sure it doesn't like loosen itself while driving. Okay, now, we're good. This, and then the caliper and the two bolts. Okay, I'm done with this side, finally. Fuck it. Yo, I got a lot of respect for people that record themselves working on their cars, like on the usual. Cause my god. Cause look, my hands are dirty and I don't want to get my camera dirty, but I have to. So yeah, now on to the other side. Okay, so I decided to switch over to my Instago for the next one, cause dude, that was getting too much. I was over it, honestly. So I'm gonna tie my shoes cause I don't want to trip and fall. On to the other side we go. I think I definitely need. Ah, that's hot. Jesus. I think I definitely need to get new lug nuts. Is it in? Oh, I'm getting the hang of this. This, I can rest it on the front, man. This just sounds rough. This sounds a lot more rough. Please, por favor. I don't know how to say please in any other language. The bane of my existence, or however you use that saying. I'm gonna just send it with, no, I'm gonna try to take it out a little bit. Let me just try. It doesn't hurt to try, right? You know, maybe it will, but who knows? Okay, it did not hurt to try. Please come off.
Please come off. Please come off.
Please come off. Yes. Ugly ass shit. Mainly because of the studs. No, mainly because of the sound. And then also the studs. That sounds better. Then again, I don't have the bolt on. Let me put the bolt on and then I'll see. Give it a little Okay. Rotor caliper wheel. Rotor caliper wheel. Rotor caliper wheel. Hey, rotor caliper wheel. Let me see if these lug nuts are gonna go on, because some of them are cross-threaded from the other one. This one is not going on. Yeah, the threads are fucked up on this one. You know what I might have to do? I might have to borrow one from the other side. For now, run 3 on both sides. Okay, these are all fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just borrow one from this side. I'm gonna go get new lug nuts because I need them. I don't want to fuck up the new threads. Even though like down the road I'm probably gonna get extended studs for this. It ain't my proudest decision, but it is what it is. You feel me? Yeah, this one is going. I mean, I've been riding on 3 as it is. And it's not like I'm gonna go crazy fast. And these are gonna be properly torqued. It's a Miata, bro. It's a build. It's a build in progress. I'm literally taking a test drive to AutoZone, so y'all don't chill out, relax. Okay, let's take it for a test drive. Okay, test drive to see the moment of truth. If my wheel falls off, then it was fully my fault. Okay, test drive number 1. There's the moment of truth. I mean, the car's rolling, so my wheel hasn't fallen off yet, knock on wood. Let me see. I'm kind of scared, bro. So far, it feels a lot better. It feels like it's supposed to be. Okay, this is a good area. No, it's good. Oh my god. Dude, this feels a lot better. I can go highway speeds! Dude, hell yeah. Oh, that feels awesome. Because before, after 60, it would start to be like super shaky, but now it's like not as shaky. Maybe I need to get my wheels rebalanced or something. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Oh my god, I'm so relieved. Like this is how it's supposed to feel like. Dude, hell yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching my my mental breakdown while working on the car. No, all jokes aside though, it was relatively easy compared to other wheel hubs because I didn't have to press anything out. I didn't have to like do anything extra. Just wheel, brakes, and then that one bolt, and then that was it. So let me know what you guys think about either filming like on the camera, like on the tripod, or on this thing, like when I have it like on my chest, because I like doing both. I would say it was a lot of work because you just got to make sure that like, you know, everything's going well. You're pressing record, you're getting right angle. But that was the first time I've ever worked on my car while recording like that, so it was cool. It was an experience for sure. I probably would have gotten it done a lot quicker, but at the same time, I was like losing my mind. So stay tuned because I got a lot more coming for the Miata. I want to say a lot more, but I don't know. I mean, it needs work, and you know, I work on cars, so I guess by default, yeah, I got a lot more coming. So I'm gonna sound like that guy, but be sure to subscribe and like the video. For real though, tell me whether you guys like the camera angle or like this little the Instago angle, because that'll let me know like what to do for next time. So thank you guys for watching, take care, and yeah, that's crazy.